Here's a trick that can be done with a regular $1 bill. If you take the $1 bill, fold it 1, 2, and then eventually 3 times, give it a snap, you can change that $1 bill into a $100 bill. Now, before I let you know how to do this, it's really easy. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. This is a 100 subscriber special. I finally made it to 100 subscribers, and I really appreciate all of you. Thank you. Now, the secret to this trick, it's just a bill switch. So you're just turning 1 into 100. You can turn 1 into a 5, 10, 20, 50, a $2 bill, American to Canadian. It really doesn't matter. It's really easy to do. The angle for the camera setup on this is a little tough for when I do the trick, but I'll do my best for the tutorial. So what you start off is the bill that you want to switch to. Just fold it in half perfectly, and then fold. This is open on the left, fold it over to the right, and then fold towards you. So you have a perfect square fold, and then these 2 corners here are the ones that you want to be aware of. You have the crease side here, and so there's 2 creases on these corners. So then you can take, and you can borrow a $1 bill if you want to. You just have to get really good at this trick in order to do that, because you can't pre-fold it. And then your setup is just behind the $1 bill with the one you're gonna switch. You're just manipulating the movement of this bill with your thumb as you're folding the bill. But before you do that, you can show, if you just come out to start a trick with a $1 bill, you want to show both sides of it, and then that's a kind of a neat little move where you're holding this bill, the one that you're going to change to, with your left pointer and your left thumb. So that holds it on to the bill, and then the $1 bill itself you're supporting with these 2 fingers of your left hand. So when you want to do the move to show both sides of the bill, you're taking your scissor fingers from your right hand, and you're pulling the bill around, and then with these 2 fingers come out and then pull the bill to the right with your right pointer finger. So when you do it, it just looks kind of like that. And then that's just something to practice in front of a mirror. And this trick is really good doing face to face, and that's why I said this angle kind of is a little tough. But then all you're doing, you're folding the bill just the same way you folded the switch bill. Fold it in half, okay? And now when you do that, I'll show you what you're doing on the other side. Folding in half, I'm taking the bill that I'm gonna switch to into this hand. So now I'm clean on this side. I'm pushing this side, this bill over with this hand, and then I'm just gonna push the bill into this hand a little bit, and then hold it with the left thumb, show clean on this end, and then before you fold it the 3rd time, you want to get this bill down here as close to the bottom as possible, but don't go too far because then you'll see it. I used my right pinky and my left finger here to help me stop. Sometimes it doesn't work, but when you're doing the trick, there's some outs on this. So just get that bill there. Then you're folding this side towards the spectator like that, and you're kind of hiding this with your fingers, and then you just grab the other bill. So you're just going to give it a snap, and then you open up the switched bill carefully, and now this bill is down here. You can manipulate that with your thumb again. So you're here, just with the cover of your hand, open the bill like that, push this up so you hide it, and then you unfold the 100 so they see the 100. You can do this move again, show the 100, and now you're set just to pull it out of your hand, and now you have this $1 bill. You can palm it and put it in your pocket, and then they're left with a $100 bill. Now, of course, you don't really want to end this trick here, unless you're going to do something with 100. But then you can just do what you just did over again to return it back into the $1 bill. And that's $1 bill to $100 bill. It's just a simple bill switch with the fold and the manipulation of the bill behind the bill with your thumb. Okay? Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or anything else that you'd like to see a tutorial for. And 100 subscriber special, I appreciate everybody that's followed me so far. And please, if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe.